In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a password-protected landing page on your Shopify store. This is a great way to create a private or exclusive shopping experience perfect for special promotions or member-only events. Ready? Let's dive right in and see how simple this is to set up. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard and find the section labeled Online Store. This is the hub for everything related to your store's aesthetics and customer-facing settings. Click on Preferences within that Online Store section. This area is your go-to resource for all kinds of details about your site's settings, including the password protection feature we'll be focusing on today. Next, you'll see an option for setting up a password. It might seem somewhat hidden, but don't worry, this section is straightforward. Activating the password protection feature is as easy as flipping a switch to signal to your store that you want to restrict access. Not only does this ensure your landing page is shielded from public view, but it also establishes an exclusive atmosphere where only customers with the correct password can access specific content or products. To set up a password, you'll enter your chosen password in the designated field. Be sure to pick something both secure and memorable. Remember, a good password blends letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance protection. This password will be the key your audience uses to unlock your landing page, so choose wisely. While setting up the password, there's also an option to add a message. This is your chance to communicate directly with your customers, providing them with information about why you have a password-protected page in the first place. Perhaps you're holding a special sale, offering early access to a product launch, or providing a perk to VIP customers. Whatever the reason, your message can make the experience more engaging by setting the tone and context before they gain entry. You might say something like, "Welcome to our exclusive members-only event. Please enter your password to access your special deals." This personalized touch can enhance your customer's experience by adding a sense of anticipation and exclusivity. Once you've completed filling in the password and message fields to your liking, don't forget to save your changes. This final step is crucial. Without saving, all your carefully thought-out settings won't be applied to your store. Confirm that the password protection is active, which you can easily do by checking from a new browser or incognito window to see if the landing page prompts for a password. And that's all you need to do. You've now successfully set up a password-protected landing page on your Shopify store. This setup allows you to control access and create an exclusive shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your online store's capabilities.